Okay, so at this point you've heard about some of the benefits to using Nearpod as opposed to a Microsoft PowerPoint or a Google Slide, and now I want to teach you how to create your own account. So I'm on the Nearpod homepage. Couple of quick links here. How it works. This is how Nearpod works. Some lessons that you are available for you to buy or for free. Here's the sign in button for when you already have your account. This is the create your account. This is what we're going to be doing today. And then eventually when you have your account and you've made presentations, you'll want your students down here to enter in your presentation code, and we'll touch more on this later. But for now, we're going to create a free account. Okay, so you're going to want to sign up with Google probably, unless you don't have a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you're going to want to sign up with your email. It's very easy to sign up with your Google account though, and it'll ask you which one you want to pick. I'm going to pick my Wilkes account. And because I already have an account, it took me right here. You're going to be taken somewhere else, and you can skip that. Okay, so some quick links on your home page. My library, explore. All right, and again, what this is you're exploring the Nearpod store to find ready to teach Nearpod lessons for your classroom needs. Okay, join. All right, that is joining a lesson. All right, we don't need that. But you know, if you're signed into your account and you would like to join someone else's presentation, that's what you pick. Create your own, and then you can look at reports of previous lessons that you've already done, and we'll see what that looks like. So I don't have any presentations on this account, but this is where they would be. So for example, if you had kids answer questions in your presentations, Nearpod will archive it for you, and this is where you find them. Okay, so that is the general that's the general background to signing up with Nearpod. My next video will kind of teach you how to either upload or create your lesson. All right, thanks for watching.